G'day YouTube, it's Shane here once again, and today I'm just testing out the front camera of my phone. I dropped the phone yesterday and it put a little bit of a crack in, no, this morning, and put a crack in the screen. And the crack in the screen goes right across the camera lens, the selfie camera lens that I normally use, so that I can line up myself in the shots, do TikTok videos and all that sort of stuff, right? But yeah, it's just, it needs to be fixed. I need to replace the screen or talk to my IT friend and get like another Apple phone or something. What a nightmare. But thank you for watching, thank you for supporting my channel. I'll see what I can do, find an alternative or learn to vlog like this. Using the front camera, I can't see my own face and I don't know whether it stopped recording or not. So fingers crossed, if you see this, it worked.